Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger updates. To know how to fix or how to solve your Messenger updates, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about Messenger. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. We'll search about Messenger. If we will find here updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.